Guys, digital drawing sounds simple until you actually sit down and start working. A few minutes in, you are reaching for keyboard shortcuts, changing brush size, or switching tools. It works, but it can break your flow pretty quickly. I'm Daniel, and on this channel I test gadgets and devices to give you a clear picture of what they're really like before you buy. Today, we're checking out the HUION Inspiroy Keydial KD200, a graphics pen tablet with a slightly different idea behind it. It combines a generous drawing area, a set of keys, and a built-in dial in one desk-friendly device. So in this video, I want to focus on whether this layout actually makes creative work smoother. And guys, before we dive into this one, all the useful links and exclusive discounts are waiting for you in the description below. Let's start with the unboxing and first impressions. Alright friends, the first thing you notice is the design. KD200 sits in a nice middle ground on the desk, large enough for comfortable drawing, but not so large that it takes over the whole workspace. Inside the box you get the tablet itself, a USB-C cable, and a small Bluetooth receiver. You also get a battery-free pen, plus a basic pen holder with extra nibs. Nothing feels unnecessary here. It is practical, simple, and focused on what you actually need. But the part that makes this tablet different is on the left side. Folks, there are 23 standard and 5 programmable press keys, and a clicky built-in dial. This way you can keep your hand close to the tablet, focus on the artwork, and stop reaching for a separate keyboard. Setup is also pretty practical. You can connect directly with USB-C or use Bluetooth if you want a cleaner desk. Then you install the driver, pair the tablet, and start customizing the keys and dial for your workflow. So let's see what this design actually gives you during a real creative session. Okay mates, let's clear this up first. The KD200 is a pen tablet, not a display one. So you draw on it while looking at your monitor instead of drawing directly on a built-in screen. For experienced users, that feels normal. For beginners, it may take a little time to build the hand-eye coordination. The main advantage here is the layout. Honestly, the dial is the part that makes the biggest difference day to day. You can use it to zoom, scroll, or move through layers with a simple twist. Designers and illustrators understand how important this can be during sketching, editing photos, or working on vector art. But folks, this is not magic straight out of the box. The layout becomes truly powerful only when you spend time setting it up around the way you work. Once you do that, the KD200 starts to feel like a control surface built around your habits. Now let's put it to the test. Guys, before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all my future unboxings and reviews. Thanks! Let's start with the pen. The PW517 is battery-free, which is a big practical win. No charging, no cables, no battery levels to think about. You just pick it up and draw. It is also light enough to stay comfortable during a long sketching session, even if you are working for a few hours. The manufacturer claims over 8,000 pressure levels. But what does this mean for you practically? In simple terms, a light touch gives you softer, thinner lines, while more pressure gives you fuller, stronger strokes. That helps the drawing feel more natural, especially for line art or comic work. The 60-degree tilt support also helps with shading and broader strokes. The tablet responds to the angle of the pen, instead of treating every stroke the same way. The active area is 8.9 by 5.6 inches, which is generous enough for most creative work. The surface has a slight texture too. I'd say it's closer to drawing on good copy paper than dragging a pen across glass. Of course, if you are new to pen tablets, there is a learning curve. Hand-eye coordination takes practice, and customizing the shortcut keys is a bit of an experiment at first. But once it clicks, the whole setup starts to feel much more controlled. Alright folks, let's zoom out and talk about the technical part. The KD200 can work wirelessly through Bluetooth 5.0, or you can plug it in directly through USB-C. HUION also includes a wireless receiver dongle in the box. Actually, Bluetooth has been rock solid in my tests, but if you want the most stable connection or need to charge, USB-C is always there. Battery life is around 18 hours on a full charge, which should cover days of average use for most people. Speaking of compatibility, the KD200 works with Windows, macOS, and Android. From my experience, it has been great with Photoshop, Clip Studio Paint, and mostly solid with Illustrator. The biggest trade-off is simple: there is no display. And because the whole value depends on shortcuts, you also need some patience during setup. The payoff is there, guys, but it comes with practice. Guys, let's wrap this up. The whole idea behind the HUION Inspiroy Keydial is simple. It gives you a faster, cleaner creative workflow. Thanks to the drawing surface, shortcut keys, and dial all under your hands, you can focus on your work instead of switching between tools. If you're a digital artist, designer, or a student who wants a more organized way to draw, the KD200 is definitely worth trying. That said, it's not ideal if you only want to draw directly on a screen, hate setup, or do not want to customize shortcuts. So it really comes down to what you want: a standard pen tablet, or a control surface that keeps your hand and workflow in one place. Remember to check the links in the description for additional information and discounts. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.